Which of the following is the correct order of agricultural practices? Soil preparation, sowing, irrigation, harvesting. Who declared the year 2024 as International Year of Camelids? UN. Which among the following is not a globally accepted national hotspot of India? Narrow Hills. Which among the following is a recent scientific mission of ISRO for comprehensive study of the Sun? Aditya L1. Which of the following is not a national nutrition program of the Government of India? National Oral Health Mission Health Program. Which among the following is the most stable ecosystem? Marine ecosystem. Which among the following is not a biodegradable pollutant? Insecticide. In an ecosystem, flow of energy declines as it passes from lower to higher tropical level. This is explained by the following. Second law of thermodynamics. Osteoclasts are associated with which of the following? Bone fracture. Green muffler is related to pollution of noise. Which district in Madhya Pradesh showed the highest improvement in multi-dimensional poverty as per the report of Madhya Pradesh State Policy and Planning Commission 2023? Ali Rajpur. How did Madhya Pradesh perform in the assessment of a state for business reforms action plan 2020? Madhya Pradesh was rated as achievers. Arrange the following districts of Madhya Pradesh in order of their decennial population growth rate during 2001 to 2011 as per the 2011 census. Arranged from the lowest to highest. Anuppur, Baitul, Chhindwara, Mandsaur. What is the objective of Tantia Mama Economic Welfare Scheme new scheme? Supplying low-cost equipment and working capital for new industries business to BPL category beneficiaries of scheduled tribes. Which city in Madhya Pradesh has a cluster dedicated to the production of transformers and allied products? Gwalior. What is the maximum age limit of a High Court judge? 62 years. By which amendment of the Indian Constitution have the municipal laws been updated? 74. Who was the father of local self-government in India? Lord Ripon. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not in the state? Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha. Who among the following was the first Speaker of the Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Pandit Kunji Lal Dubey. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to expenses of Public Service Commission? Article 322. When was new institution Niti Aayog constituted in place of Planning Commission? 1st January 2015. Who was the chairman of the 12th Finance Commission? Dr. C. Rangarajan. The Food Preservation Commission is a statutory body established under which of the following Act? National Food Security Act 2013. The function of the National Commission for Women are specified in Section 10 of the National Commission for Women Act 1990. Which of the following rights is not under the purview of the National Human Rights Commission? Rights relating to education. The total number of members other than the chairperson and vice chairperson of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe is 3 members. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India can hold his office for a maximum period of 6 years. National Green Tribunal's NGT headquarters is situated at New Delhi. The Union Public Service Commission constituted a committee in July 2000 to review the civil services examination under the chairmanship of Professor Yogendra Kumar Alag. Where is the headquarters of Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India (AK5) located? Jaipur. Which of the following players were part of the Indian women's hockey team in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Susila Chanu, Monica Vandana Kataria, उपयुक्त सभी, all of the above. Which player was awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2022? Sarat Kamal. Who among the following was awarded Padma Vibhushan 2023 in the field of science and engineering? Shri Srinivas Vardhan. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Aryabhat Research Institute, Observational Sciences, Nainital College of Defence Management, Secunderabad, Central Institute of Indian Languages, Mumbai, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Answer: Central Institute of Indian Languages, Mumbai. India played its first one-day international cricket match with which country and in which year? England, 1974. From which year did the celebration of 21st June as International Yoga Day begin? 2015. Who is the first Indian woman soldier skydiver? Manju. From the following industrialist, who is known as the Steel Man of India? Jamsetji Irani. Governor of the Year award at the Central Banking Awards 2023 was conferred upon the governor at the Central Bank of which country? India. Which of the following is not an e-procurement portal? MP Online. Which of the following is a type of internet connection that uses telephone lines? DSL. Which of the following is an advantage of e-commerce? Ability to operate 24/7 into 24 hours. Which of the following is a type of cyber attack that involves tricking user into revealing sensitive information? Phishing attack. What is the purpose of a firewall in cyber security? To block unauthorized access to a network. Flipkart, Alibaba, Amazon are examples of B2B, business to business. Dash is the process by which the receiver interprets the symbols used by the source of the message. Decoding. Which of the following is not a web browser? Yahoo. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI. Which electronic device was used in second generation computer? Transistors. Where is Tati Paka oil refinery located? Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following seas is near the Gaza Strip? Mediterranean Sea. Match the following. बैलाडीला छत्तीसगढ़, केंदुझर उड़ीसा, बालाघाट मध्य प्रदेश, कुद्रेमुख कर्नाटका. Which of the following processes do not come under dystrophism? Heterogenic. Identify the correct sequence of states according to the highest to lowest literacy rate according to Census of India 2011. Kerala, Mizoram, Goa, Tripura. Which of the following atmospheric layer is known for all changes in climate and weather? Troposphere. Which of the following rivers rises from the Triambak Hill in Nasik district? Vaitarna. Match the following pair and identify the correct code. नोकरेक मेघालय, मानस असम, सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा, शेषाचलम आंध्र प्रदेश. The first successful attempt to tap underground heat was made in Boise, Idaho, USA. Which of the following is also called Molasses Basin, Mizoram? In which session was the Congress divided into moderates and extremists? Surat. In the year 1948, which state came into existence after the merger of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand? Madhya Pradesh. How many principalities were merged in the Saurashtra Sangh on 15th February 1948? 222. Who among the following first coined the word Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. In the first stage of the national movement, which one among the following was not the demand of the Congress? Unification of executive and judiciary. Who among the following started Ganeshotsav in Maharashtra? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which of the following year did Nadir Shah invade India? 1739 AD. Arya Manjushree Mool Kalp is related to which of the following? Mahayana. In which of the following year was the freedom of press given by Lord William Bentinck? 1835 AD. After conquering the Sikhs, which of the following metal coins were introduced by Chandragupta II? Silver coins. Which position did Madhya Pradesh hold in copper production in India during the year 2021 and 22? First. Which of the following rivers of Madhya Pradesh flows in 3 states? Mahi. Which of the following characteristics is not correct in reference to the black soil of Madhya Pradesh? Black soil has sand content. Purna river is a tributary of which of the following rivers? Tapti. Bijagarh Hill is situated in which of the following mountain ranges? Satpura Range. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding the climate of Madhya Pradesh? Temperate climate is found in the southern part of the state. Which type of forests are found in Madhya Pradesh? Alpine forest. Which of the following thermal power station is situated at Chachai of Anuppur district? Amarkantak power station. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding the roadways of MP according to Basic Road Statistics 2018 to 19? This state ranks first in the country in road density. In the year 2020 to 2021, which of the following districts hold the first position in the production of cotton in MP? Khargone. The electoral college for the election of the president consists of elected members of both houses of parliament and elected members of state assemblies. The Directive principles of state policy are explained in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. This system has been taken from the Constitution of which country? Ireland. The Parliament is formed by which of the following? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. When was the NABARD established? 12th July 1982. When was the Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI) established? April 1990. How many banks were nationalized in India in 1986? Through which amendment of the Constitution had the right to education became a fundamental right? 42nd Amendment, 86th Amendment. Article 51A deals with fundamental duties. Currently, how many fundamental duties are mentioned? 11. By which constitutional amendment was the term socialist included in the preamble? 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Through which plan was the Constituent Assembly created? Cabinet Mission Plan. Bhima Nayak was related to which state? Barwani. When did tribal leaders Sita Ram Kanwar and Raghunath Singh Mandloi Bilala join the anti-British Revolution 1857 AD? Which folk dance is prevalent on the occasion of Deepavali in the regional areas of Sagar? Moni dance. Which other name was the religious place Chitrakoot also recognized by? Brahmapuri. Whose famous literary work is Mukul? Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. No Dora ornamentation made of clay on the wall is the specialty of which tribe? Gond. Where is the historical Matangeshwar temple situated? Khajuraho. Whose famous work is Ramchandrika? Kesav Das. On whom did Balkrishna Sharma Naveen write two kavya, Pranarpan and Atmosarg? Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. When did the Thola Luhari firing accident of Niwari district take place in the freedom movement? 1939.